Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. It is Friday the 7th of June, so happy weekend. I have taken today off. We are headed for a vacation. It's going to be a bit interesting because where we are going is underwater at the moment, I think. There are a lot of warnings for Wollongong Kaima area, and we're going through that area, so it's going to be an interesting journey, but we're optimistic. I think we should be okay. We're gonna go slow. We are going with friends, and we are taking Bruno with us. I'm so excited. We have only taken him once on a holiday with us to Canberra, and he was quite unsettled at the time, but we've learned our lessons. We've taken quite a few things to make him feel comfortable, and yeah, we're just so excited that he's going with us. I've been telling him like non-stop, like, hey, are you ready for a vacation? And he completely ignores me, so it's fun. But yeah, hubby has gone to get his food, and then we're gonna be off. We're gonna go to our friend's place, pick them up, well, meet with them, and then go from there. So yeah, we're excited. I have taken no makeup with me, just FYI, no makeup. It's gonna be great. Quick pit stop at Subway. We had a little bit of a stop over at McDonald's just for bathrooms, but the kids felt like Subway, so here we are. And my Bruno is just chilling at the back. He had a little wee break as well, had some water, and now he's just waiting for his dad. So we've just hit our first roadblock. We've had to take a detour, and we're about to find out what lies ahead. Fun. Okay, so we had to stop for a little bit because the roads were closed. I think we stopped for about 30 to 45 minutes. What do you reckon? And we're now back on the move. There was a cop that was sort of directing traffic, and she came and told everyone that the roads were open. So still very slow moving traffic, but we're on the move, which is exciting. It is 4:21, and we still have about 2 hours to go. So fingers crossed, no more hurdles, but we'll keep you posted. no idea what we're gonna do there, but we're probably gonna have some lunch and do a little bit of sightseeing and then decide what to do next. But so far so good. Everyone's rested, everyone's feeling good. We were a little bit tired yesterday, but the weather was amazing. It's still great today, so it's while it started off quite rough, but I think we are having a good time otherwise. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Day 3, we have started our journey back home. We started at about 10:20. We stopped at Bateman's Bay, a quick pit stop, got some coffees, got some spicy chips, and had some crackers and stuff. And now we're on our way to Nara, and we're going to have some lunch there. But yeah, it was a great stay. Had a lot of fun. It was relaxing. The views were fantastic. The weather was really great for us as well, apart from the day that we went there. But other than that, like, the weather was amazing. It wasn't too cold. The house was really, really awesome. The hosts were wonderful. So yeah, it's great. Excited to be back home. Bruno is completely worn out and he's sleeping at the back. But yeah, overall it was a great trip. What do you think, baby?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. He is concentrating on driving, but we'll check in later.